Hi, it's Nicole Pearl, the Beauty Girl. I have some great natural products that I've recently been using that I wanted to tell you about. Especially now that I've got 2 babies, I've been really experimenting with natural ingredients. And so these are some of my favorites. And the first one is this Bander Hagen's Glycerin Soap. I keep this by my sink in the kitchen. I think it's just a basic, simple, but effective cleansing bar. You can also use it in the shower. Really, all it's got is glycerin, so it's really nice and moisturizing. And it comes in different scents and even fragrance-free if that's what you prefer. The next is deodorant. This is GeoDeo. I've been really into experimenting with natural deodorants, and I know some people think some work while others don't. This one I do think works. This is the unscented version, but it also comes in different fresh scents that you'll like. And the other thing is that the company actually emits less gases in the making of this deodorant, so that's always a good perk. In terms of skincare, I'm really liking this cleanser from Cecilia Wong. It's really good for brightening your skin, and it's got ingredients like aloe and other nice minerals and vitamins in a really nice natural formula. And then the next thing is really about hair, because there's a gazillion hair products out there, but here are a few that I've really liked. This one is from Taya. It has a shampoo and conditioner and a whole line of styling products. It's very fresh scented, and I think it does a good job at cleansing and conditioning. This is a trial size or a sample size of the Rahua, and I like this because it's good for travel, but they also have a bigger version. This is the ultimate luxurious conditioning and shampoo. This is the conditioner here. And then the other is from a brand called Natural Essentials. This is a fairly newer brand, and they have some really nice coconutty scented shampoos and conditioners if you like coconut. I think it smells really fresh and natural, and it works. And then the last thing I want to tell you about is a great shaving cream. This is from a company called Wish. And this, again, is a very luxurious lather for your skin. It won't dry it out. It creates a really nice surface so you can get a close and great shave. So these are some of the natural products that I'm enjoying right now. For more tips and tricks, visit thebeautygirl.com.